let's have a small ergonomic exercise till the slides are setting up. What we'll do is, for a minute, can everybody please stand up? Look at the right or the left, the member whom you do not know. Please introduce yourself and know the person's name, please. Wonderful. That's okay. Only in the name, not beyond the name and the company. Thank you so much. Please take your seats. How is it? Good? Okay. So I think furniture ergonomics go hand in hand. And I think whether it is a BFSI or GCC, banking, everybody working hard. And I tell you, you can have very good ergonomic products, but if you don't take ergonomic breaks, it's not going to help. So how many of you, for a cup of tea or water, stand up and go to those breakout areas to get yourself? Please raise the hands. Wonderful. I think these are the good practices. These are the habits which I think every individual needs to inculcate and feel good about in terms of taking those, ergonomic breaks, moving around, burning certain calories, and taking care of their health. So back to this critical topic, emerging workplace trends. They are changing because a lot of other things are changing, such as technology, environment, societal, the different generations which are coming in, right? So things are actually changing very fast. And if you look at these trends, you look at hybrid way of working, agile spaces, enhanced safety, technology, integration, and personalized kind of spaces. So these kind of the trends are coming across different industries, not specific to one industry, and there is no one size that fits all, because every company is very different. But we are looking at these changes in a big way, and many of the employees are looking forward for those human-centric office environments to be a part of collaborations. How many of you like beautiful offices? Please raise the hands. Oh, good. The market looks good, and I think we are at the right place. Okay, let's spend some time in terms of certain more, trends which are going around. And in terms of Bangalore traffic, everybody heard about it? Yeah? So, earlier, whenever I used to interview, or still, when we look forward for a job, whether it is 6 days a week, 5 days a week, sir, work from home hai? I mean, these are the questions which are coming in, right? And I tell you, these are very basic questions which have been evolved. Today people are traveling around, and at airport, at the cafe, work is on. The digitization platform, people are, leveraging it. They are answerable to the key responsibility areas, and the work is on. So I think this flexibility is required, whether an employee or an employer looking at these challenges are concerned. So earlier, it used to be, oh, today you're working from home, chutti mana raha hai. He's taking an off kind. That kind of an thought people had. But today I think it's no more. Today, and as an employer, you will be very happy for an employee, manage your household, parallelly manage your work. Nobody minds. Things have changed. The trust factor has actually come in, and the new generation really likes that, flexibility for the employees to do their job. And who's supporting all this? Technology. I still remember when I started my career, many of these organizations had business continuity plan, one office, 30 kilometers away. Yaar, kuch ho jayega. Something happens. What would, I need to have a back office to support. Those kind of things. But today, I think everything is on the cloud, and people are quite okay to work around and do it for your employees to be effective and, efficient the design does play a key role. Small introduction of Featherlight. We have two divisions. One, office furniture. The second is developers. I know many of you don't know the developers. I'll share certain inputs on that. In terms of the clients who have been supporting us, these are the clients. Thanks so much for supporting us in the last couple of years. We are 60 years in the line of business. And in terms of India, 60 locations across APAC region. Also we have supporters who are helping us to grow the business. And these are the photos of the factories. If you look at our factories, we got 6 lakh square feet. All the factories have solar roof panel to support on the sustainability front. So all factories run through this power. There are a lot of goals on the sustainability which we have looked forward in terms of carbon reductions and in terms of, we collating certain information, whether it is carbon disclosure project or our net zero goal by 2040, including scope 1, scope 2, scope 3. So that's the way we are looking at, and these are the SDGs which we are actually focusing upon. And as the factories are in Bangalore, any of you feel free to visit our factories. Our team is there to support, and you should see an Indian company with 60 years of experience, how sustainability is ingrained and the diversity at the shop floor. We have more than 30% women working at the factory at our chair plant. So it's at Rajan Kunte. Feel free to come down. And in terms of DEI, we have visually challenged members also who work with our team. So I think there is a lot of stuff at our factory. The building what you are seeing, it's at Chennai. It's close to around 6 lakh square feet, which we lease it out. So this particular business, the developer business works at Chennai and Bangalore. And this is our building which is coming up at CBD area at Cessna Park in Bangalore. Going forward, we have plans to construct this building of 12 lakh square feet close to the Bangalore International Airport. Now, that's the introduction. In addition to the furniture on the real estate, we have a counter that side. So please ensure that you share your visiting card at the counter. There is a lucky draw in the evening today. Let me take you through our office, the corporate office. So this is our corporate office at Millers Road. Please feel free, whenever you are that part of the city, do come down, have a look how the offices are getting evolved, which can support your expansion plans in India and abroad. How many of you have noticed the height adjustable table in the video? Please raise the hands. Wonderful. So the height adjustable table also supports you to stand and work. After lunch, you may not feel like sitting, right? You feel like standing. And that possibly, for me, 2 hours minimum in a day, I actually stand and work. If I'm on tour, it becomes more. So it is very important to actually use that kind of a product, which is run on a motor where you need electricity. But there are certain other products which are pneumatic, like how the chair works. Similarly, we can come up with a table where it actually helps you to support the laptop at different heights. So the next small video of mine will actually demonstrate that. When the markets are growing, sales really find easy to sell. And thank you so much for supporting Featherlight in the last couple of years. FinTech has been one of the integral segment for us to actually grow. The next video actually is of a FinTech company, Zerodha. Have a look at it, how their office looks. Thank you so much for your attention. And from this particular session, one just takeaway is, please make ergonomic break as part and parcel of your day. Thank you so much.